Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe us, like and commenting our content. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you. Let's start. Today we are in Kuzguncuk. Kuzguncuk is a neighborhood in the municipality and district of Üsküdar, Istanbul province, Turkey. 1. Its population is 4,151, 2022. 2. It is on the Asian side of the Bosphorus. The neighborhood is centered on a valley opening to the Bosphorus and is somewhat isolated from the main part of the city, being surrounded by nature preserves, cemeteries, and a military installation. It is a quiet neighborhood with streets lined with antique Ottoman wooden houses. Kuzguncuk is bordered on the north by Beylerbeyi, on the east by Burunay, on the south by Ikeday and Sultantepe, and on the west by the Bosphorus. On the other side of the Bosphorus is Besiktas. One, cultural diversity. Kuzguncuk is one of the most culturally diverse neighborhoods in Istanbul. Historically, it was home to a mix of Jewish, Greek, Armenian, and Turkish communities, who lived together in harmony for centuries. This diversity is still reflected in the neighborhood's architecture and cultural landmarks. Two, historical synagogues and churches. Despite its small size, Kuzguncuk houses multiple places of worship, including synagogues like the Bet Yaakov and Bet Nissim synagogues, and churches like the Sırp Krikor Lusavork Armenian Church and the Kuzguncuk Greek Orthodox Church. 3. Colorful architecture. Kuzguncuk is famous for its brightly colored houses, which line the narrow, cobblestone streets. These wooden Ottoman-era homes are beautifully preserved and add to the neighborhood's quaint, old-world charm. Four, TV show filming location. Kuzguncuk has served as the backdrop for many popular Turkish TV series and films. Its picturesque setting and authentic ambience make it a favorite spot for filmmakers. 7. Seaside location. Located on the Asian side of Istanbul, Kuzguncuk sits along the Bosphorus Strait, offering stunning views of the water. The seaside promenade is a peaceful place to walk, relax, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
Teşekkür ederim. Elbisem düzdü, kendim yaptım. Bunu da arkadaş hediye etti orada.
Onu anlatıyorum. Biraz onu.
6. Art and Culture Hub. The neighborhood is a haven for artists and creatives. Kuzguncuk hosts several art galleries, cultural centers, and artisan shops, making it a vibrant hub for art and culture enthusiasts. Seven. Seaside location. Located on the Asian side of Istanbul, Kuzguncuk sits along the Bosphorus Strait, offering stunning views of the water. The seaside promenade is a peaceful place to walk, relax, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
Hadi geç. Geç abla.
Eight. Local cafés and eateries. Kuzguncuk is home to a variety of cozy cafés, bakeries, and traditional eateries. Many of these spots have been around for decades, serving delicious Turkish cuisine with a touch of nostalgia. Nine. A literary legacy. The neighborhood has been an inspiration for many Turkish writers and poets. The serene and nostalgic atmosphere of Kuzguncuk often finds its way into Turkish literature and poetry.
Ben zannediyorum ki o izinli değil.
10. Close-knit community. Kuzguncuk's residents are known for their strong sense of community and friendliness. The neighborhood has a village-like feel, where everyone knows each other, and neighbors often gather for communal activities.
Ben böyle akşama kadar beklerim bunu.
If you like our videos and content and want them to come more, please subscribe to our channel. Also comment and like our videos. Thank you in advance.